Hi, Regina from Meet Travel Life, and final episode of what happened with our winter sow. Want to share with you what plants we still have alive. So we have in here some lemon balm. I have asparagus, a weed, and a sunflower that needs desperately to be planted. It's gotten warm this week. It's in the 80s, and we are going to plant everything this week, and so it'll get growing and be awesome. My husband planted some seeds in these little seedlings about 2 weeks ago, and I think we have some cabbage, and I don't know what else he's got in here. He's got cabbage and he's got cabbage and he's got melons. And then direct from the store, we got some rosemary, oregano, some sage, and some catnip. When you get catnip, you only need one because this thing will turn into a huge bush if you let it go. So plant it somewhere away from your house. Bees do like it, and that's not so fun to walk in and out of your house with those. So don't be discouraged if you find that your plants don't make it. You'll have enough notice basically when it's time to start planting everything. If it didn't work, you can just run to the nurseries and pick out your fruit, your veggies, and herbs that you want to grow, and then just start from there. And if you get bigger plants, it won't take as long for them to produce. But if you get smaller plants and bigger plants, doing what you're going to be doing with them. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know how your winter sowing went. I certainly hope it went a lot better than ours. Have a great day.